Hi, this is PP Rao from Enjoy Learning. In NMMS series of physical science, multiple choice questions, sixth lesson, that is sound. In this video, we revise 15 bits in this chapter. The first bit is identify the musical instrument with strings. So the answer is guitar with strings. So second bit is length of vocal cords in men, that is nearly 20 millimeters. So third bit is substances: water, air, iron pipe. The question is which of the above can act as medium for sound propagation? So water, air, iron pipe. These three are the substances can act as medium for sound propagation. So fourth one is unit for measuring the intensity of sound. Yeah, the intensity of sound is decibel. It is also denoted as small d and capital B, decibel. Okay, next bit is which can produce high pitch sound: lion, adult men, infant, and adult woman. So infant is the correct high pitch sound. Sixth bit is audible frequency range of human beings, that is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. It is also 20 to 20 kHz, kilohertz, kilo, K-I-L-O, kilo. So 20,000 here. So next bit is Vamsi. Vibrations produce sound. Madhav said sound produce vibrations. Whose statement is correct? The seventh bit is Vamsi's said correct. So vibrations produce sound. The next bit is by the activity of toy telephone, we came to know that. The conclusion is sound can travel through solid. This thread is a solid. So ninth bit is material required for the activity to prove that sound has energy. So ninth bit is sugar crystals, glass, paper, cell phone. These four items are required. Next, 10th bit is sounds needs material medium to propagate. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. This is the statement. If a bomb blasts on the moon, then the answer is no sound is produced. We can't hear any sound. So both A and B are correct. Next one is while a body is vibrating, the maximum displacement of a body from its mean position is called amplitude. In the above diagram, amplitude is indicated by simply A. This is the amplitude. This is the amplitude. This is the mean position. Okay. Next bit is ear structure. Here is a diagram. Ask this spot, name of this spot is what? So simply we can say that is cochlear. Next 13th bit is what we should follow to reduce sound pollution. Attach silencer to vehicles, machines with less noise to be manufactured, save plants. So all the three, so all the above is the answer. All A, B, C is the correct answer. So materials iron, glass, vacuum and air. The question is which of the above allow the sound to travel through them? So the 14th bit is 1, 2 and 4. So here vacuum the sound propagate not propagate in vacuum. So last bit is 15th. This is not a pot in voice box. So that is tongue. Thank you very much for watching this video.